Welcome to CabiAI. Today we're building a bookcase, and what makes it different from a cabinet is that in a bookcase, within the same module, you can produce several levels of fronts. We start with the form, as always. In the overall dimensions, you set the height, width, and depth. Here, a bookcase 2 meters tall. These are the dimensions every module in the project shares. Scroll through the library down to tall bookcases, and here's the difference from a cabinet. Within the same module, several levels of fronts, and pick the bookcase. In the structure type you set how the bookcase is closed. Here, a shell on 4 sides, and we check plinth. The shell thickness is 17 millimeters, and the plinth is the wooden base under the cabinet. In the cabinet settings, you go deep. In the module editor, you can tune every single parameter, all the hardware and the advanced settings. Everything is editable end to end, exactly the way you work, and click Save. In the plate settings, we pick Carpet here, 2,800 by 2,070 millimeters. That's the size of the sheet the product is cut from, and you can also use standard or a custom size. In the material settings, you set how many units to produce, and you can separate the shell and the fronts from the product body. That way you put the expensive material only where it's seen, and save on cost. And once everything is set, click Create Layout, and the system builds an optimal cutting layout. This is the first plate, and this is the second, with all the hardware and the markings. Everything is accurate to the settings and the hardware you work with. In the full production package, you pick what to download: DXF, NC, labels, cut lists, and assembly instructions. Click Create Package, and the download lands straight on your computer. Everything you need, both for the machine and for the workflow on the floor. And in the 3D view, you see the product from every angle. Open the doors and zoom in, and you physically see all the markings and the whole structure, exactly as it will be manufactured. And that's it, from an idea to a production file in a few minutes. Now it's your turn. Build your first bookcase in CabiAI.